Maswera sei mhuri yeZimbabwe? Lichona njani imhuri yeZimbabwe? Malivisa vieni mhuri yeZimbabwe. Good evening, Zimbabwe. We want to thank you for your patience and the effort of waiting patiently to hear from Commander Geza. 1 July marks the beginning of the period of action. In the morning, I came across several missed calls and messages to those who know us, to those who understand our background. Wakati Comrade Sarwaka, Mirai Shoma, is a program of action. One. Nenhau yekuti tiri kufanirwa kutanga tanzwa the feedback. Tikati alright, feedback yacho inouya ngwai. Tikanzi chat feedback iuye kuma 11 makuseni. Tikati pakanaka, tinoimirira. 12 o'clock midday hatina kuwana feedback. Asi tazoudzwa zvikanzi mirirai, we are going to get the feedback. The message from Comrade Zegeza signals that our request and message to the military has reached the destination. Nothing much. It is a confirmation that the message we are sending has reached the destination. The message from the people. The military doesn't respond directly to you. They simply say, tazvinzwa. So, for your own information, the administration has prepared several letters in the morning so that we will send to all the authorities in Zimbabwe following the human rights procedures. And those letters are with us. Number one. Number two, the logo which was circulating for the Zim revolution, for the Zimbabwean revolution, it is part of the letterhead of the letters which were sent to the security systems. Condition number one. We have told them that we understand that we have arrested some of our comrades. And one of the comrades which we have arrested, who was part of the commander, is Comrade Nyoka Mabunu. First thing which we have to do is to pay for the legal bills and release him from custody. That's why you saw us saying we are not going to pay for the legal bill again. Zigananda have to pay for those legal bills and release him and give him back to us. That's the first condition. Izvozvo zvinotiratidza kuti whatever efforts which they did, we don't have casualties on the way. If Ziganandas brings casualties when we are telling them to march out, we are going to retaliate and make sure our numbers are going to match. They understand that. The request for ceasefire and round table, we received them. Some, yes, they were ready to give in and take it to the round table. As we are saying, no, enough is enough. It's either you go peacefully or you go fighting. Because what we are going to do is we are going to advance. No military personnel is going to be with you in the streets. We know the problem which you are having is from the police, because their boss is favoring Zviganandas. But we have enough manpower to match that. Starting from tomorrow, we are going to release the first stage of the lawful request of taking our people to the streets up until Zimbabwe is in rightful hands. We have delayed by 1 day because we wanted the military to give us the background of this revolution. Understanding that the state is facing serious situation under state capture. Corrupt elements are buying power and influence the activities of governance at the expense of the majority. We wanted that last confirmation from the war veterans and the military. That's the situation at hand. State capture is the situation which is allowing civil servants to get payments which cannot sustain them for 1 week. State capture is the situation which is allowing our hospitals to be in a shame state. State capture is the situation which is allowing our roads to be in the shame state. I dare you, even if we allow up to 2000, Masvingo Road is not going to be completed. It is a looting project. The continuous dropping of taxes among the citizens, it is because of the state capture. People of Zimbabwe must understand the role of a governance. The government's role is to distribute the national resources equally to all the citizens in Zimbabwe. Whenever you see a situation that there is no equilibrium amongst the distribution of resources, there is no equality amongst the people in a country, that's a sign that we have a problem. Where rich people are extreme rich and poor people are extreme poor. The reasons which took us to this stage, that's what Comrade Geza was explaining to the people. Action is not going to be called upon him. Action is coming from the people, and it is the people speaking now. Tomorrow evening, we are going to release the program of action. The names which are being dropped along the way, that's not just a speech. Those names is addition of the names of the people who are now declared the enemies of the people. You can do whatever you want with them. Anyone declared the enemy of the people, we are giving you a go-ahead to do whatever you want with them. So, comrades, tomorrow evening, we are coming back here, sharing the program of action. Rule number 1, no action is going to be sponsored by individuals. Nyaya yekumirira kuti ningi ndiye anofanira kutitumira mari yetransport, mari yekuita zvakati kuti tikwanise kuachieve this. We don't want any donation from individuals because our mission will be captured. People will contribute and save themselves. Wherever you are, you don't contribute to us. Whenever transport is needed, it is needed in your areas. The parliament got its message. The reasons of impeachment, they were outlined. We expect them to act. Failure to act, it means you are the enemies of the people and you deserve to face the music. Izvezvi yakapera nguva yekuataka maorganizations. We face individuals. Mumwe namumwe ari kutongwa nezvake achipinda pagedhi rerevolution. Kana vanhu verevolution vasvika vachikubvunza iwewe kuti why are you not supporting the impeachment, you have to tell us why are you not supporting the impeachment whilst everything has been said. Before we go to the main program, tichakupai the signals. I'm sure we are going to release 4 signals. Dzinokuratidzai kuti we are not playing in this game. In that signal, 1 in each of the 4 biggest provinces in their order. So program of action is coming tomorrow in the evening. Then from that, we are not going backwards. My comrades edu anawa vakasunga, we are not going to fight for them again. They took us as stupids when we were speaking. So last week we said enough is enough. Muchavabudisa mega. How? I don't know. What we need our children of revolution to be out without any harm. Any funny act, we are going to match the numbers. Yakapera nguva yekuswera kurespectana. We are going to match numbers. You eliminate 1, we eliminate 1. You eliminate 5, we eliminate 5. We are not playing here. So, comrades, sir, that means we will be with you. Program of action is coming tomorrow in the evening. Tomorrow morning, admins will take care of you. Whilst we will be consulting and making sure that our program is finished before we announce it in the evening. Pamberi nerevolution. Pamberi nekubatana. Pasi nezvigananda. Kana usiri murevolution, urikushanda nani?